The new Nissan Armada is the ultimate SUV. With a bold, powerful new look, backed up by capability and rock-solid toughness. Armada has a first-class interior with premium design details and an elevated experience in every seat. Technology to help keep you connected, comfortable, and safe. And real off-road performance that's built in. It's the ultimate SUV. How much capability do you need? Armada has all you want. And then some. The 400 horsepower V8 is ready to amplify adventure. But power is only part of the story. Armada conquers rough terrain with toughness and heavy-duty construction. 4-wheel drive. It's right at your fingertips. And when you get that "I'm about to get stuck" feeling, kick it into 4 low. Need a spotter? Use Intelligent Around View Monitor for a better view. So you'll have the upper hand with the next obstacle in your path. Steep hill climb? Armada has tech to make it easier. Towing and off-roading, Armada loves both. When you want to tow bigger boats, bigger trailers, you'll make it look easy.